Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. Wait, labas muna tayo. We're here at Wrong Ramen. Sobrang late ako. I'm very, very sorry. Si Tom or si Aina! Hi! May vlog na tayo before, di ba? Kung kain namin sa Paulian. Anyway, so Mark, ayun na si Mark. Hi! Ang dami namin ginawa kanina mga kaya We ordered the chasu rice. Never ko pa na-try to. But this one na-try namin ni Wifey, which is a spicy gyoza.
Try na rin natin yan.
Yep, na-try na natin. Yummy!
Unang date natin ulit eh.
Oh, yeah. Ay, oo! Magtatago tayo sa mga tao, no? Anyway, just catching up with a good friend. Ay na, sobrang tagal na natin magkahalala. Alam mo, hindi ko ang weird. Parang itong year, ang dami natin catch up sa mga old friends. Ay, ayun lang. Kakain kami. Yummy! Yes, thank you! Woo! F you! Yummy! A picture! On our way to pick up Wifey. Napunta kami sa event for Stella Hotel. Still with Tong! Tong talaga yun, no? Booby Bear.
Blur.
Blur. Umuulan. We're here! Stella Hotel. Here, registration. Now here, Stella Garden Hotel. Ang ganda sa loob! Tingnan mamaya yung may pool, may smoke effect, may horse, wooden horse, diba? Trojan. So nice! Look at that! Ganda! And ano to? For salads? Oh my god! That's so cute! Ooh, guys! OMG! This is so nice! May mist pa, guys. Look at that. Ang cool, guys, may tree house doon. And then you can cross. Yeah, oh my gosh! Girl, let's try this. Nobody likes seed. Ito na. Nami pandan drink.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Food. We transferred from outside to dito sa loob kasi nga maulan. Yummy! Mga activities! Dito kami sa may loob, guys. Hot massage! So relaxing. Meron na kayong wine. We're finally home, guys. I just finished editing a vlog, yung last din namin with Judy. And then, may dumating na package sa bahay. Nakuha namin kasi bumisita ako kay Mama. It's from Nestle. Nestle, sabi ni Chris. My Fitness Breakfast. So, sa loob, okay, hindi lang siya ganyan kasi sinama ko yung ibang packages dyan. So, they sent over a bunch of Nestle Fitness cereals, and then we have the fitness bars, we have milk, And then, another package came from Belle Cosmetics, mga lashes. So, I'll open those in a separate, video. Nagpadala yung kaninang Sela. Oh my gosh, guys. Nagpadala sila ng nagbigay sila ng voucher na overnight stay. So, Mark and I will be able to try out their, an overnight stay for 2 packs. Cozy room. Would you want that?
Oh, of
Cozy
course.
room.
Cozy room.
Oh, girl. May expiry date pa. May bowl pa from Nestle. Thank you very much. This one I haven't opened, so we're just gonna open that tomorrow na lang. Kasi naglinis ako dito. Tapos lahat ng packages, nilagay ko lahat dito sa beauty room. Look at that, guys. And yes, those are palettes from Judy. Thank you, Judy. Super dami, guys. So, mag-giveaway tayo. And then some are for family, for my sister. So, yan, dami. Yeah, pimple on my forehead. Oh my gosh. Before Mark and I go to bed, we're gonna watch Riverdale. Meron na sa Netflix, and I am such a huge fan of Archie comics. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We grew up with that, my sisters and I. So, that's it for the vlog today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Booby Bear, say bye-bye. Ilago ko ng pimple ko.
Bye-bye.
Delicious diet food for today. Mukhang masarap naman lahat. We're gonna heat up ito, for sure breakfast to. Then the others will be saving for later on. Wow, cookie. And, sorry, ang cute na nila ngayon, clipper na tea. Bag of our flower power infusion. Sorry, it's not focused. There you go. Bongga. So this is my setup for my breakfast flat lay. Lagi lang ako naka-fur. Then usually I would open the window para malakas yung ilaw, pero usually okay na rin yan. Love it. And then, napicturean ko na rin yung My Fitness breakfast. So, sa loob niya, I think I showed you na sa last vlog. Ayan. Fitness cereals, fitness bars, tapos non-fat milk. With a beautiful bowl and spoon. Thank you, Nestle! Hindi na pwede upuan ni Mark to kasi masisira na. Nag-ayos pala si Mark kahapon dito sa may cupboard. Maayos na lahat, including here. So, we're gonna do an apartment tour mamaya. Meron palang card, hindi ko nakita. So, My Fitness breakfast. May mga sinend silang parang, tawag dito? Recipe. Love it. Light cream, smoothie bowl, cereal bars. Pak. Mark and I have a bunch of videos to film, so we're gonna start para matapos din namin lahat. Ang daming mga package. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Kaloka.
Film kami ngayon para sa isang brand. Yun.
Hindi na pwede sabihin.
Hindi na sabihin.
Pero it will be up by, pag natapos ako mamaya ma-upload ko na siya.
As soon as possible.
Nakalimutan namin magbayad ng Meralco. Oh my gosh. It's already Feb. Kasi naman yung mailbox sa baba, hindi mo siya maano.
So, kasalanan na Meralco yun, puputulan namin yung Meralco.
Kakatapos lang namin okay, itsura mo. Mag-take na OODDs for the newspaper. Now we have to go kasi may event pa ako and medyo late na kami and super lapit lang ng event. We're gonna dance ballet with the Lisa Makuha Elizalde. See you there! Hindi kami umabot sa event, guys. So, hotel lang kami ng market to pay some bills for Meralco and then more later on. We're eating here sa Pansit Lukban.
Buddies.
Market. Buddies?
Yeah, buddies.
Mukhang masarap kasi. And kagabi pa tayo nag-crave, di ba, ng pansit?
Mamaya, mag-grocery kami ng ganun karami pa.
Oh, ito lang pala yung barbecue. But one piece is 40 pesos, di ba? Ibig sabihin, sobrang sarap. Dapat lang. 40 pesos isang steak.
Isang ganito pa po.
And then, we have the Pansit Lukban. Bubi seryoso to? 40 pesos? Here at Market, bumili lang kami ng mga few groceries lang. And snacks. And oranges. And melon. It is 2 a.m. guys. I am still editing a bunch of videos. And si Mark merong shoot mamaya. So, I'm editing the vlog. And I'm also covering my pimple. Alarm ni Mark yan. See you tomorrow.